Howdy, it's me again. In case you forgot, it's Patrick. I've been here between videos, working up on my app called Summon Help. I got all the way up to version 50 something before I decided to gear it way back to a saved version at around 40 and have been having much better success. I have to admit, relying on ChatGPT for code, it's hit or miss. When I give it some of my code, it might not give all of my code back to me. If I ask it to correct something, it might delete vast swaths of something, and then I have to go back and look for a version I can pull a copy and paste from again. And I've been doing a lot of copy and pasting over the last several weeks. Just so you know, we're using Ladybug. Just so you know. Here was kind of the project. Make some pages. Make some XML layouts in part 2. And do a lot of UI designing. Part 3 is navigating between the screens, and boy, has that been a headache, like pulling teeth. I had to go back to a saved version where it was working fine, and then ever since then, ChatGPT, Gemini just could not put it back together for me again. So I finally had to, using folder in res called navigation with a XML file called nav_graph. Handles all the navigation actions between the 4 pages. It's actually quite impressive to look at. What we are going to look at is Android Studio. This is my phone over here. This is my device, real life device. And this page I'm quite proud of. I have 2 pages I'm quite proud of. The first one is frequent reminder. Where's the first one? User data. User page. Where you'll enter in your username, phone number, address, 1, 2. Map will have a Google map on it, and map will fill in latitude and longitude. Your pets, you add your pets' names in. It's going to use a room database, I believe, because I got that working once. I made a little, that might have been the last video I made, called Room. Then a Save All button to put all of the above, in case you have multiple pets. There's individual add buttons for those. Going to have to be careful on duplicating names when I save all, if they add all of them here. But that's a bridge I'll come to when I come to it. The second page I got going right now is the friend selection page, where at the top a nice button that will open your contacts, and then you can select a contact that will fill out these 4 fields here, or most of them, at least name and phone number. are the two most important contacts for a app like this. And then this is a card view where we display the SMS message preview. And it doesn't work in code or design phase over here. It's got to be running to do that. And to see it actually live in action, we can look over here at my phone. Here's my user data page. Again, these buttons don't do anything at all yet. Well, those buttons do. So here is the friend page, friend selection page, where you get to open your contacts. Your friend name and phone number will be copied out of your contacts and then displayed here. Help, I need assistance. That's, let's see. It's in the KT, right? Do friend selection fragment. Help, I need assistance. I don't know what these N's mean. Those are returns. Return. Name is username. Phone is phone number. Well, I have to get all this working somehow. But there you go. Map. Not so much. That's going to be the next one. I've already had a little bit of experience trying to pull in the widget, the Google Map widget in design view here. There's a lot going on there, so I'm going to need my AI help with that. And that's the next step here, is to get the map going, and then we can put in latitude and longitude, because maybe you're not at home. Maybe your standard message that you've entered in here has you at home, but maybe you're actually not when it comes down to it. This latitude and longitude could be the things that bring help to you when you need it most. Hours after you fail to swipe your notification, which could be hours from now. So you better be prepared. If you're knocked out or something like that, just call 911. Get it over with. So that's what I've got so far with 2 pages going on. Friend info and user. This is a bigger project than I thought it would turn out to be, but I'm going to keep banging my head at it because, quite frankly, I've got nothing better to do than I've already been outside raking leaves. That's not really much fun. So, like and subscribe, come back, see more, and wish me luck. So, let me get my other program out here. Have a great day.